when you are working with Final Cut Pro, you will see on your video clip or videos, it might have couple of unnecessary words or some filler words. So let's see how we can remove this thing. Before showing you the tutorial, let me show you what I mean. So listen carefully from here. You just need to hold function key in. You just need to hold function key in. Okay, I think you got it right. So here when I was recording this video, actually you just hold. I actually told 2 times, so this part is not necessary. So how can we remove this part? To do this thing, at first we need to cut this part and then we need to remove it. So how can we do this thing? There are different approaches, but the easiest approach is like we need to find out from where we need to cut. So we have to go slowly from here to here, and here is the thing I'm going to tell. Hold function key, this thing. So this thing is this part. So this is the location where I need to cut, and this is the location where I need to cut, and then we need to remove it. To do this thing, just move your cursor or schema line like this. You can click here, or you can put your schema line, which is red line, and you can hold command key and press B key, and B means blade, so it will cut like that way. I'm going to press command key and B key together, and see here there is a cut. Did you saw? There is a small cut is there, and now I need to cut here also. So I move my schema line over there, and then I'm going to press command B key together, and see this part is separated. Now I'm going to remove it. We can remove it by pressing the delete key, and that part will be gone. And that's it. In this way we can easily cut the unnecessary part from our video clips.